Our country, India, with lots of diversity in culture, language, and tradition, is the second most populous country in the whole world, and the responsibility of security of all citizens who live in India lie in the hand of Indian Armed Forces, which consist of professional uniformed services, the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Forces, which is the second largest military force and has world largest voluntary army.
So, hello everyone. I am Shilpi Kumari from class 11th Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mahim, Palghar. I am very grateful to have this opportunity to make Veer Gatha project in the honor of all fighters of our nation.
Likewise, the Gallantry Awards have been instituted by the Government of India to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifices of the officers of armed forces, other lawfully constituted forces, and civilian. These Gallantry Awards are announced twice in the year, first in the occasion of Republic Day and then on the occasion of Independence Day. Gallantry Awards are classified into two categories. First category, Gallantry in the face of enemy, which comprises Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. The second category is Gallantry other than in the face of enemy, which comprises Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra.
The legacy of India is as vast as varied India itself. Among the many brave hearts who have laid down their lives for their motherland is a man whose action in the battlefield transcended the heroism. So let's know about one of the great Gallantry Award winner who motivated me towards my life goal.
Major Somnath Sharma was the first recipient of highest military honor in India, the Paramveer Chakra, in 1950. Somnath Sharma was born in Dhada district of Kangra in Himachal Pradesh on January 31st, 1923. He was a part of military family where in every person in his family, like his father, brother and his sister, all served in the army. He did his schooling from Sherwood College in Nainital. By the age of 10, he was enrolled in Prince of Wales Royal Military College, Dehradun. He later joined the Royal Military Academy. On February 22, 1942, his military career began as he was commissioned into the 8th Battalion, 19th Hyderabadi Regiment. Later, he joined 4th Battalion Kumaon Regiment of British Indian Army. He was in the same regiment his maternal uncle, Captain Krishnadutt Vasudeva, had served. Major Somnath Sharma fought many battles, but one of the prominent ones was World War II under Colonel K.S. Thimia in Burma with British Army. In the very first posting, he was deployed in Arakan and proved his mettle. In Arakan, while fighting against the Japanese, one of the soldiers got injured. Despite gunfire from the enemy, he carried injured soldier on his shoulder to safety. He was also awarded a mention of dispatch for his courageous act. Battle of Budgam, 1947. On November 3, 1947, Major Somnath Sharma and his company were ordered to reach Budgam village to take a charge of situation there. His left hand was injured after a hockey match and had get plaster cast over it. But the major insisted on fighting for the nation alongside the Jawans. Budgam was one of the most dangerous routes as Pakistani raiders were marching towards the Srinagar. In the village, a group of 500 raiders proceeded towards Budgam from Gulmarg and soon surrounded the company from three sides. Major Sharma's company was under heavy fire and bombardment. They sustained heavy casualties and they were heavily outnumbered. But Major knew that the Budgam village played an important role in the loss of their position here would end up making the city of Srinagar and airport vulnerable. Sharma urged his company to fight bravely. He also took the task of filling magazines and giving them a soldier operating light machine guns. He was running post to post, keeping the motivation up in his team without even thinking about his own life, while fighting the enemy with all bravery. A mortar exploded in the middle of ammunition, which resulted in explanation and he martyred. Sharma's body was recovered 3 days later. Though it was disfigured beyond recognition, his body was identified by means of leather holster of his pistol and a few pages of Bhagavad Gita in his chest pocket. Like Major Somnath Sharma, there are lots of Jawan who sacrificed their life for the nation. I salute all of them for their bravery. Major Somnath Sharma motivated me to face challenge with bravery. It's important to showcase confidence and bravery when it's required. Having confidence in yourself to secure your own and your loved one's future, displaying a confident outlook at work, etc., are all skills that will take you further than you can ever imagine. You need only look up to our brave Jawans for inspiration when it comes to both these qualities. He, as a Jawan, motivated me to have well-disciplined life. Discipline. Without discipline, our lives will be completely messed up. Who better than the Indian Army to inspire us to lead our life with discipline? Their life consists of daily discipline, right from the time they wake up and make their beds to the punctual timing of their sleep and everything in between. Discipline is one of the biggest virtues one can imbibe from Indian Army. Major Somnath Sharma taught me to have selflessness. The life is for two things: living and giving. Our Jawan give up their families and civilians' life instant when duty calls. This quality of selflessness and putting others first is something we all learn from and emulate. His story inspired me for willingness to sacrifice. Our soldiers do not think twice, laying down their lives in the service of country. No wonder they command so much love and respect for their willingness to give the ultimate sacrifice for the nation. You and me don't have to go that far in your daily life, but making a necessary sacrifices at home and work can be a great asset that will take you place. Major Somnath Sharma motivated me to have never giving up attitude. Don't be the person who gives up at the slightest hint of discomfort. Instead, look up to the Indian Army and their never giving up attitude that take the lesson from them. Be determined in whatever you pursue and don't give up until the mission is accomplished. Fight your discomfort the same way our armies fight its enemy, and you will emerge victorious in the end. Hope so. Through this presentation, I was able to present the Veer Gatha project effectively in front of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.